Question number 1.
Jessica agreed help David with his project in San Francisco. A. 2. B. On. C. 4.
Question number 2.
Michael enjoys basketball at the park in Seattle. A. Play. B. Playing. C. To play.
Question number 3.
David promised Jessica a ticket to the concert in Washington, D.C. A. Give. B. Giving. C. To give.
Question number 4.
You wear a seatbelt when driving in California. A. Can. B. Must. C. May.
Question number 5.
Sarah played the piano very well. A. Can. B. Should. C. Must.
Question number 6.
If it rains tomorrow, we stay inside. A. Will. B. Would. C. Would have.
Question number 7.
If I were you, I'd take that job offer in Seattle. A. Will. B. Would. C. Must.
Question number 8.
If Jessica had studied harder, she passed the test. A. Would. B. Will have. C. Would have.
Question number 9.
A group of students waiting outside the library in San Francisco. A. Is. B. Are. C. Were.
Question number 10.
Neither David nor his friends planning to attend the lecture. A. Is. B. Are. C. Was.
Question number 11.
Michael runs than Jessica. A. Fastly. B. Faster. C. Fastest.
Question number 12.
The children spoke so during the movie that people complained. A. Loud. B. Loudly. C. Louder.
Question number 13.
The teacher, who lives in Seattle, very strict. A. Is. B. Are. C. Were.
Question number 14.
The book Jessica bought is on the table. A. Who? B. Which? C. Whom?
Question number 15.
The man called yesterday is waiting outside. A. Which? B. Who? C. Whose?
Question number 16.
David is sitting the bus stop in Washington, D.C. A. In. B. At. C. On.
Question number 17.
Jessica was born July in California. A. At. B. In. C. On.
Question number 18.
Michael met his friend Monday morning. A. In. B. On. C. At.
Question number 19.
Jessica said she called later. A. Will. B. Would. C. Shall.
Question number 20.
David told me he already finished the assignment. A. Has. B. Had. C. Have.
Question number 21.
The manager asked Michael if he attend the meeting. A. Can. B. Could. C. May.
Question number 22.
The kids are excited about to Disneyland. A. Go. B. Going. C. To go.
Question number 23.
David agreed Jessica with her homework. A. Help. B. Helping. C. To help.
Question number 24.
You not park your car here, it's a tow zone. A. Should. B. Must. C. Can.
Question number 25.
We leave now if we want to catch the train. A. Must. B. May. C. Can.
Question number 26.
If Michael studies hard, he passed the exam. A. Would. B. Will. C. Would have.
Question number 27.
If Jessica had known about the traffic, she left earlier. A. Will. B. Would. C. Would have.
Question number 28.
The team winning the game tonight. A. Is. B. Are. C. Were.
Question number 29.
Each of the players wearing a new uniform. A. Is. B. Are. C. Were.
Question number 30.
David sings than most people in his class. A. More beautifully. B. Most beautifully. C. Beautiful.
Question number 31.
Jessica drives when she is late for work. A. Careless. B. Carelessly. C. Carelessly.
Question number 32.
The laptop belongs to Michael was stolen yesterday. A. Which. B. Who. C. Whom.
Question number 33.
The girl father works at the White House lives in Washington, D.C. A. Who. B. Whose. C. Which.
Question number 34.
The museum is located Main Street. A. On. B. At. C. In.
Question number 35.
They stayed at a hotel in San Francisco. A. In. B. At. C. On.
Question number 36.
I will meet you 5 p.m. near the train station. A. On. B. At. C. In.
Question number 37.
Jessica said that she going to New York next week. A. Was. B. Is. C. Has.
Question number 38.
Michael told us that he's seen that movie before. A. Had. B. Has. C. Have.
Question number 39.
David asked if Jessica helped him with the project. A. Can. B. Could. C. May.
Question number 40.
Sarah is interested in Spanish. A. Learn. B. Learning. C. To learn.
Question number 41.
They decided a new restaurant in Seattle. A. Try. B. Trying. C. To try.
Question number 42.
You always respect your teachers. A. Can. B. Must. C. May.
Question number 43.
We be at the airport by 6 a.m. tomorrow. A. Should. B. Must. C. Could.
Question number 44.
If it snowed in California, people be surprised. A. Would. B. Will. C. Would have.
Question number 45.
If I more money, I would travel to Washington, D.C. A. Have. B. Had. C. Has.
Question number 46.
The pair of shoes in the closet. A. Is. B. Are. C. Were.
Question number 47.
$10 enough to buy that book. A. Is. B. Are. C. Were.
Question number 48.
Jessica danced at the wedding. A. Graceful. B. Gracefully. C. Gracefully.
Question number 49.
The man car was stolen is talking to the police. A. Whose. B. Who. C. Which.
Question number 50.
The painting hangs in the gallery is very famous. A. That. B. Who. C. Whom.
How did you score? Tell us your score in the comments below. Share this quiz with your friends and family, challenge their English too. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Talk Learner for more fun grammar quizzes every day. Let's learn together and grow together. Thanks a lot for watching. Once again, take care and have a great day or night, wherever you are. Bye bye and keep smiling.